Well, ever since the Taliban took over Afghanistan, it is now almost on a daily basis. All the promises that actually were made by the terror group, now they are going back on it. What is now being said in a latest move that the Taliban rule of terror will return in Afghanistan. Well, Taliban has now said that there would be strict punishments and executions that will now be taking place. Anyone who decides to go against Taliban and its diktats, there would be executions. This would be the harshest punishment ever that will be given to the people there who go against Taliban. And what is being said when it comes to the harsh interpretation of the law that they last time ruled Afghanistan, this is the very same hardline movement that was carried out back then. This is not the new or the changed Taliban at all. This is the very same old and brutal Taliban that has now returned to rule Afghanistan. The fate of the people of Afghanistan now hangs in balance because we know what Taliban was all about when it comes to a public execution, stoning, flogging that has been happening of the citizens there. We've seen that happening even with the women that are out in the streets who are coming out to protest for their rights. And this is the very same Taliban who is now threatening that this time around they will be back with harsher punishments. There will be once again public executions that will be carrying out. Brigadier Jamwal is right now joining us here on the broadcast. Sir, good afternoon to you. Well, this is the true face of Taliban because now it is saying it will back those harsh punishments when it comes to executions, flogging, stoning and amputation.
Precisely. I mean, in fact, I am surprised. Why are people surprised this is happening? Because right from day one, this is what Taliban had stood for. And Taliban was always this thing. I mean, even when they took over this thing, they never said they will not do any of these things. And it is not even, it is just days when they have come back into the original form. One feels bad for people of Afghanistan. The poor people have nothing. I mean, these are not elected people. They have come by force, by mistakes of others, through machinations of Pakistan, that withdrawal. I mean, they are just suffering for no fault of theirs. And Taliban being what they are, they will do what they have to. They believe in flogging. They have no respect for human rights. They have, I mean, those are things only sensible people talk about, civilized people talk about. They never claim to be civilized. So what else you can expect from them?
Absolutely, sir, because what happens really to the human rights that Taliban was really promising to the people there of Afghanistan, but right now it seems that it is back to its old ways. Brigadier Jamwal, sir, thank you very much for joining us at this point. This is the true and the shocking face of Taliban that is now being exposed once again, because we have seen the Talibani brutality that's been happening right after it took over Kabul forcefully, and Taliban now says that executions will return, harsher punishments will return, and we have seen the kind of multiple videos that continues to surface from all of Afghanistan, where we are looking at executions still taking place of people, especially those who are against the Talibani ideology. Sushant Sareen, what do you have to say on what's now being declared by Taliban? Because, human rights can well be forgotten there now.
No, but I don't know why everybody is pretending to be surprised by what the Taliban have said. They've never said anything otherwise. They've always maintained that because in their interpretation of Islam, this is what they are like. They are supposed to be doing. This is their religious duty. And as in that particular interview, if you're referring to that, the AP story, then the man has said very clearly that, look, yes, we have changed. We allow you to interview us. We allow you to, use your cameras because this way we have a greater outreach. But otherwise, we are the same old medieval monsters that we always were. And they never pretended that they were anything other than that. Now, everybody else is trying to put a lipstick on a pig and pretending that this is, they've changed the complexion of the person or the movement or the group. But the pig remains a pig regardless of whether you put a lipstick on it or you don't.